Do you own a Lexus? Are you having transmission issues? I've done hours of research. Watch the whole video. It might just save you thousands. This is our 98 Lexus GS 300. We were thinking the transmission was blowing on it. A 5-speed automatic transmission. These right here are your shift solenoids. We got C on the left and I believe E on the right. Here's the pan, pretty easy to drop. Just a couple 10 millimeters all around, drain the fluid. Careful not to make a mess. You need an 8 and a 10 to remove them. We took the bolts off, 2 bolts holding it, an 8 and a 10. Pull it straight out. Oh shit. That's what transmission sensor C looks like. Is E, if I'm not mistaken. You can't mess them up. No, they're different sensors. They just look the same. These are our sensors. This is our ohms meter. We have it set to ohms right now. We're going to check the resistance on it. Let's do that now. And we're going to find out which one's good, which one's bad. As you can see, this sensor's kind of flipping in and out. We can only test it if we put pressure on it, which is making me think that the tab on the inside is broken. This one over here, we need to put no pressure and we get a reading. This one over here, we have to apply pressure to get a reading. So something on the inside of this sensor is bad.
Hallelujah.
So we're going to put this pin back right here, so we don't forget how it was.
And we got it open.
Sweet.
Yeah. So, I think it's broke right here, man.
So there it is, we got it soldered on. That little piece on the right where it connects was broken and cracked. Make sure it wasn't there.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Aplana este bordito aquí.
He's going back.
La rampa que lleva acá atrás. La raquita abajo. Ya.
That's what it was?
Yep, that's what it was.
So we're gonna erase
stored.
it? So we're gonna erase it?
Trying to erase it.
Erase that.
It went away, huh?
Uh-huh.
Check engine light's gone.
So let's take it for a spin.
Let's take it for a drive.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching the video. The vehicle is fixed. We have taken it on a drive cycle. The check engine light never came back on. And we smogged the vehicle already. We took it to our mechanic. He wanted to replace the transmission. Dealer wanted over $500 for the sensor and $1,000 to replace. I just showed you how to do it for free.